You want the secret. You search everywhere. The modern world tells you that extreme wealth is just a matter of blind luck, unfair inheritance, or a rare lucky break. The truth is quiet. You consume endless advice. You watch tutorials. You hope that by simply mimicking the morning routines of the rich, you will magically inherit their massive financial success. This is a delusion. What if the billionaires of the world are simply operating on a completely different psychological framework? Most people run. You avoid friction. The human brain is naturally wired to seek the path of least resistance because physical comfort feels exactly like biological survival. Comfort is financially stagnant. Bill Gates actively sought chaos. He embraced friction. He understood that wealth is simply a secondary byproduct of solving massive, complex problems for other people. You must remove friction. Today, whether it is building artificial intelligence or streamlining a local supply chain, your income is directly tied to the size of the problem you solve. You must be profoundly useful. Impatience is expensive. You want rewards. The digital age has trained your dopamine receptors to expect an immediate, satisfying return on every single investment of your time. This destroys your potential. Warren Buffett moves slowly. He leverages time. He accumulated the vast majority of his staggering net worth long after celebrating his 50th birthday, proving that true wealth requires immense patience. You cannot rush greatness. Instead of chasing the latest crypto token or viral trend, you must build an asset base that compounds quietly in the background over decades. You must outlast the noise. Money motivates weakly. You get tired. When the obstacles become overwhelming and the stress begins to crush your spirit, a simple desire for cash will not sustain you. The work demands sacrifice. Jeff Bezos recognized this. He built missionaries. He knew that a mercenary seeks a quick payout, while a missionary is deeply, obsessively connected to the underlying meaning of the work. You need a purpose. If you are only chasing a paycheck, the entrepreneur next to you who actually loves the painful process will eventually crush you. You must care deeply. Perfection is dangerous. You wait endlessly. You hold back your brilliant ideas because you are terrified that they are not yet flawless enough to show to the real world. This paralysis traps you. Mark Zuckerberg embraced hacking. He iterated constantly. He built his fortune by releasing imperfect work into the wild, gathering harsh market feedback, and improving his systems in real time. You must launch quickly. The market does not care about your perfectly crafted business plan. It only cares about a product that actively solves a tangible need. You must execute fast. Cash loses value. You hoard savings. You look at your bank account and feel a false sense of security simply because the numerical balance is slowly creeping upward. Inflation destroys stagnant capital. Larry Ellison deployed capital. He bought leverage. He became incredibly open-minded about using his massive profits to strategically acquire other successful software companies and absorb their momentum into his own ecosystem. You must buy speed. Instead of stubbornly trying to build absolutely everything from scratch, look for intelligent ways to buy out your competitors or invest in existing technology. You must play offense. Scale changes everything. You think small. You focus on selling a single service to a single client, trapping yourself in a linear model where your income strictly equals your hours. This limits your ceiling. Larry Page leveraged technology. He built asymmetry. He understood that consumer software offers a rare dynamic where a product built by a small team can instantly serve billions of global users. You must digitize value. Whether you are building an application, writing software, or creating digital media, you must find a scalable way to serve the masses. You must reach millions. Knowledge expires rapidly. You stop studying. You graduate from the traditional education system and assume that your learning is complete, allowing your skills to slowly become obsolete. Complacency guarantees your replacement. Michael Bloomberg studied daily. He observed greatness. He noticed that the most successful people on the planet, including Nobel Prize winners, are the ones who aggressively study new concepts constantly. You must fuel your brain. In an era where artificial intelligence is rapidly displacing traditional jobs, your only reliable defense is a relentless commitment to aggressive, lifelong learning. You must evolve continuously. Failure provides data. You fear rejection. You treat every single setback as a final verdict on your worth, allowing temporary defeat to completely destroy your fragile self-confidence. This prevents necessary risk. Carlos Slim faced problems. He extracted data. He advises that when you face your financial problems head-on, their intimidating emotional nature slowly disappears, leaving behind only cold, actionable facts. You must strip emotion. Stop viewing a failed business venture as a devastating personal tragedy and start viewing it as the mandatory tuition you pay for your financial education. You must extract the lesson. Endurance filters everyone. You quit early. You try a new venture for 3 months, encounter unexpected friction, and immediately pivot to the next shiny object in search of easier money. This guarantees absolute mediocrity. Jack Ma faced rejection. He refused defeat. He faced brutal, repeated dismissals throughout his early career, but remained incredibly stubborn about his ultimate destination and his underlying vision. You must outlast doubt. Your ultimate competitive advantage in the modern economy is simply refusing to quit when every rational voice tells you to turn around and go home. You must keep walking. The matrix shatters. You see code. You now possess the exact psychological blueprints used by the wealthiest architects of the modern global economy to build their untouchable empires. Execution is your responsibility. You must stop waiting. You must take action. You have to internalize these precise mental models, fundamentally change your daily habits, and ruthlessly apply them to your own financial reality. The game has changed. You want the secret.